guys, it has been a little while since I've given you a business update. I thought that I would check in and show you some of the things that have been going on. We've been able to move into a little bit of a workroom, storage room here with all of our updated machines and supplies. And as you know, I've talked a lot about manufacturing. We've got our first product back, our first sample. I'm going to show you that in another video. We've got some packaging back for our second item, and I'm going to tell you all that's been going on. So there was a little behind the scenes sneak peek of our new workroom setup. We are shipping boxes as quickly as we can and trying to get to all the fun new things while still fulfilling orders. So we have added this fun new machine, which is our X-Tool laser engraver. It is helping us to produce a couple of our new products, which I haven't told you yet. So I'm going to wait on those, but I do want to show you our new product that has come in. I have our flashcard set. It is a set, oops, that's upside down. It is a set of front to back flashcards. I have both the print and the cursive in one box. So I'll give you a little sneak peek, but I am going to do a full video on these because they will be launching in the next couple of weeks. They're in production right now. I just got our sample approved. So I think it's been probably 6 weeks since I put up a video of what we've been working on, but you can get a little idea. There's some fronts. It has the sound cue, and then on the back it has the handwriting strokes. So cursive and print letters. That is our first big product we are launching this year in correlation with our Cursive Connection box. So we are sending out boxes every day of Cursive Connection. Thank you for supporting us. And we also have so many families asking for the Print Companion, which is also well on its way, almost ready to launch that. It will for sure be ready for the new school year. So our full Simply Lettered Learning Journey will be ready for the upcoming school year, which will include the print program, and then also our Cursive Connection program. And then also it will have a little transition, like a mini program in between there for those who want to transition between print and cursive, but also you can start and just do print, or you can start and just do cursive. So it will be flexible there, depending on which program is best for your family and what you choose to provide for them. And then some of the other things I've talked about is the books that I am publishing, which that one is a work in progress. It's still happening. It's still going. I'm still planning to have it ready for the school year, but it's definitely a labor of love. And I'm still happy with the Lulu publishing that I chose, but it's a lot of back end work, especially when building kind of a workbook style. So a lot of things going on there, but we did get in packaging. So these are some things I like as a small business, you don't necessarily think about the steps. So this is a product we just finished, like I mentioned, on the laser engraver inside. I'm not going to show you yet. But we had to order kind of the packaging ahead of time so we could make sure the item and the pieces that go with it fit inside. So that took about 6 weeks to get this bulk package of bags. These are these fun like fabric bags. So everything is a lot of time. Ordering in bulk is stressful because you don't know, is this the exact size bag I'm going to need? So I actually ended up ordering 2 sizes of bags. One of them I think is going to be too big, so that's going to be a loss, but I can use it for other items unless it works out. But so it's things like that where we have to kind of order in bulk for it to make sense, like 100 bags, 100 of these fabric bags at a time, because I couldn't just order a sample from this company, and this was the exact vibe that I wanted. Anyway, so there's things like that where you have to order ahead of time, and then you wait 6 weeks to get this shipment in. This one came from China, even though I ordered it through Etsy. It wasn't like direct to Alibaba. So a little behind the scenes on that one. These ones did get manufactured in China, so the sample arrived, and now they've sent the full batch off for production. the cursive connection boxes, those are all put together here, you know, in my little workshop. Everything's printed, and for the most part sourced from the United States. These journals I did have custom made in China. So I order bulk, and then just stock them as I need. So a little more behind the scenes of what's been going on, but I'm excited to have this space moved away from my kitchen table so that we can just keep packing boxes as quickly as possible. If you've been waiting for new product, keep waiting. I know some of you keep asking, and I want to put out a product that is high quality and nice, and it's gonna last. So stay tuned. There's some really great things that are so close, and especially for the print program, and for all of you that have the cursive program already, thanks for following along. And if you're a small business owner, I love to hear your journeys too. So let me know how you're doing it. I'll link our new machine. Some of you might be interested. I did get it from Amazon and it works great. I heard really great reviews. So far we haven't had a problem with it. And it seemed fairly easy to learn. My husband was helping with the software. But anyways, I'll link it if you're in the market for a laser engraver for any of your small business needs. Anyways, thanks for following along. I will update you soon in another video. Thanks, guys.